What you doing, Frida? Look at that pile of bonito flakes I gave you. One big ol' honkin' pile for Frida. For Frida. Do you want to play? Huh? Here we go. What's today? Today's Thursday. Today's Thursday. One more week and your mama comes home on the 1st of September. Yeah, where are you going? You know, when you go under there, I can't film you. Where's the bird? Your tail is in those bonito flakes. I'm going to put those back because you're not eating them and I don't want them to go blow all over the house. What are you doing? How come you don't eat your wet food? Every day I throw out your wet food. I'm going to stop giving it to you and you're just going to get dry food. I gotta bring that one can over. I got 6 cans of stuff that my kids won't eat. So we can try it. It's like a tennis match, only really fast. Frida, what are you doing, silly girl? Look at your little head. Oh, that's funny. Okay, I need to put some of these bonito flakes back. I gave you way too many because the bag is ripped and they just like fall out. Yep. And how come that happened? Because you got your face in them. You stuck your face in there. You weren't supposed to do that. Oh, we're twisted anyway. Wait, I gotta fix the bird. Something's wrong with the bird. It got twisted. All right, I'm gonna pause this. You play, hang on. Okay, I fixed the bird for you and we put away a lot of those flakes. I have your hair on me. Where's the bird? Where's the bird? Frida. Get the bird, Frida. Where is it? It's on your head? Frida. Oh, good girl. That was a good one. That was good. That was really good. You're a beast. Can you get it? Can you get it, Frida? Good girl. Ready? Good girl. Ready? Good girl. There's sure a lot of stuff going on out there. It doesn't matter what time I get here. There's always something going on out there. Yep. Are you silly? Can I have it? Oh, you're sitting on it. Good girl. How come you don't eat your food? You eat your dry food? Man, oh man, oh man, oh man. Listen to that racket. I hope it's not like this at night, and then you can't sleep. This is city living, honey. This is what happens when you no, we don't scratch on this. No, no. No, no. That's new. You can't scratch on that. Don't you have a scratch post somewhere? Oy. You can't scratch on that. That's not nice. This is your mom's new chair. We don't scratch on new chairs. Do you have a scratch? I don't know if you have a scratch post. If you do, I don't know where it is. I don't see one. Unless it's in the bedroom. I don't go in the bedroom. That's not my space. Nope. I only stay out here in general areas. No private rooms. That's not right. Is that your hand? Can you get it with your hand? Is it coming to you? Where is it, Frida? Frida, where's the feathers? This is a boring video, Frida. Nobody wants to see your head going back and forth like you're watching tennis. You're supposed to play. Where's the bird? Is it just bird is in distress? Can you get the distressed bird? Where is it? Dead. That's one dead bird. Now you gotta get it. Ooh, it rolled over all by itself. See? Get the bird, Frida. Can you get it, sweet girl? Where are you going? Wait, no, don't go under there. I can't film you if you're under there. I think we've had this conversation before. Frida? Where are you? Okay, I don't know where you are. Are you gonna get it? Are you gonna get it, Frida? Is it in your sleepy pod? Is it in your sleepy pod? Frida. Good girl. What do you think, Frida? Okay, this is getting long and you're getting boring. Yep, you're getting boring with this. This is not fun. I know. How come you don't want to play today? I mean, you were playing earlier, kind of. Dead. Dead bird. Get the dead bird. It got tangled. It got tangled. Now it's a bird in distress. Why you walk away? Look at it. It's totally tangled. Okay, I'm gonna send this to your mom, but it wasn't your best effort. No, you're not winning an Oscar with this performance. I'll tell you that much right the hell now. Okay, good job, sweetheart.